Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to start with a topic that is next question, that is secant theta cosecant theta minus cot theta is whole square gives you the result as 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So firstly we will use here some of the trigonometric formulas, as cosecant can be written as 1 by sine theta, and here cot theta can be written in the form of cos theta by sin theta. So now we need to solve it. This can be written in the form of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here we take square, we divide the square as 1 minus cos theta square, and here we make it as sin square theta. So again I have said you many times, we use here the identity of sin square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is the identity we use mostly. Now the first thing we need to do is convert the formula cos theta as it is, and here we write it sin square theta can be written in the form of 1 minus cos square theta. Now this can be written in the form of a square minus b square. So this can be written in the form of a square minus b square can be written in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So this is the algebraic expression we use in algebra, these type of laws, algebraic laws. So here again we need to solve it in the form of 1 minus cos square cos theta whole square. Again I have said you that a square minus b square, so it can be written in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So we need to write a plus b, b is cos theta, and again with minus 1 minus cos theta. This 1 minus cos theta and 1 square gets cancelled, and we have the value as 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So guys, you have seen here we have used LHS and we founded RHS. This is all for this question, and if you like the video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, please do comment below, and the entire playlist of the trigonometry is given in the description. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Till then, take care, bye bye.